guys, so right now let's try to cross the river. Look at Vlogmas,
Day 23, 2 more days like that we happy.
What's up, AC gang? I am walking up there, and guys, today you don't know we're hunting a Vlogmas, and we are got country right now. We are got country. At least we're supposed to go country, but I tell you from now, if we don't go, I'll be fat. You know why? I'm come look. I'm come look. Me never go sit down. Man, just come look. Abbi. No people. Look on that. Look what she do. No, what people? Look what she do run there.
Shit is a crime.
People from morning, Abbi at Timbo, I don't know if me can go, you know. I don't know if me can go. You have to go and let me, you know. People, Abbi shit down the place. Abbi shit down the place. Guys, it's horrible. Cause she talk about how from one day, I barely feel that way and she don't know how she eat and I don't want to talk about it. But if you're new to the page, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell, select all. That means when I post a video, you get notified same time. Yeah, I don't want to trim now, I'm bush up again. I say I'm going to go fast. But guys, also subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. You get me? Go subscribe right now to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV, please. Go on over there and go subscribe right now. Also, subscribe to Abbi's Madness. What's she having nice? This is weird. Also, subscribe to Abbi's Madness. Subscribe to Capos TV. Yeah, guys. So, me are the beard, Abbi are the beard. If we don't leave out, that's because she not tell it. Enough of we are go together. We might end up reach our river. We're not sure yet, but we know find out. Can I follow it, right? Yeah. So now go find out everything, guys. So not worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, but we are carrying out it. So it's all good. It's all fine. Yeah, guys. So guys, just stay tuned throughout the video and see everything we are going. Hey guys, we never have time for video in the house, but we actually left out now. And if I'm away, Abbi sick out, week out. Abbi, yeah? Yeah? You good? People Abbi do good at all. So, but if I'm away now, we are keeping in touch. She just eat one donut a while ago, pineapple donut. How about you do? You keep on a flick there now?
Guys, we kind of feel a little better, so cause I took some Pepto-Bismol. Pepto-Bismol, Racho. So, text me. Hello.
Who's texting us, Abbi? Who's texting us?
Racho.
What texting?
Don't you keep going on?
People here now. So forward. So guys, with their country now, you see it? We are going to look if the river alright or not, because you know, some bush, you know. Here now, we're going to show now I go and see. Oi, we can't really talk, you know. Look how me I go, guys. Alright. So guys, I'm showing the river right now. Right.
Yeah, long nice water. Oh. Nicer than the rest of them.
So all deep, that's a boy, so?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright guys, see there? We're there now.
No.
We're outside.
Racho. So guys, them people are going to take a swim. We just go watch.
Abbi, I'm going to put the foot in the water.
Worst me I want to do one solo. I'm going to cut a piece in the bush. Honest.
In the bush?
Right in the bush over there. So.
Oh my god. So guys, I'm going to water right now. I'm going to take off my shirt and thing and go down there. You know what I say? Yeah. Yeah guys, so you want to know? Then at the bush, how you put your body forward. River, I like the river, but I'm not going there. They're going there in a few seconds, people. So me one down here, I want to charge them. But everybody has to change off, so we're going to wait for them forward. Is it? Guys, they might ask me now. Watch Abbi.
Me are rambling now. Where are
Yeah,
Oh, yes, I just look at this alone. We go there.
so not, but yeah. Yeah, guys. So we are going to go and relax in the water. I'm seeing a scratch me.
Racho.
Yeah. Something nice, Abbi.
Keep a mosquito. That's something I like them so
Take a dip, girl. Take a dip. People here, no. Disappointment.
My skin can't tell them something. That's how
Abbi skin and scratch her.
Girl, Guys, that's why I can't go in a river, beach, nothing.
But here guys, I got one different part. Them call it Spanish River. I don't know where it there. I don't know Portland guys. So I go find it because them said this have the buzz. The river in on the buzz. That them I say. I'm first time over here. I like, yeah, first time over here. And we are go there one beach, one river named Spanish River. You see it? Everybody got one place in Spanish beach, but Abbi and Capo, we do different. Spanish River. Guys, I don't know what looking now. So I might disappoint you, I don't know.
Yeah, get about a big boy. No, Capo, mosquito by me. All this scratch my hand. So why? Lick it, boy. No, girl.
No, man. Guys, you know Abbi there? Mosquito fighting her, so she stay.
One dog, that?
I'm good.
I want goat. Jesus, Lord Jesus, you was a good girl. You know the bush of people. I saw you come here and say, boom, some scary over here, some scary over here. So, Capo, the back of me. Take the key from her. Like I was saying, don't take Capo, the Capo have him phone. I'm good girl here, so guys, come like so we can make a scary move over here, so. Over here, so scary move we can keep. Talk truth. People look at this over me. Watch them speaking, they reach before me. Don't take Capo, gone there, sir. Lad. Side of if I never boast, the next water, the prettier. Love Capo alone.
Yeah guys, so right now we are trying to cross the river, look at. Look on the pressure people. It's cool, brother.
Water nice.
Nice.
Abbi, give me your brother that picture.
Brother, nice, also nice. Water cool, brother. You say water there,
People don't know no good girl now going at this don't people it a from my skin. Oh my god. That's why I can't go river, I can't go to the beach because each time I go in my foot swell up. It wheel up everything. I don't know. Some about my skin. So good girl left for catch right there, right through. So them skiggy they just come out of the water. Yeah. Good girl not going in there, no. So guys, I don't even know what we're going to do right now. So just stay tuned, yeah, man. Stay tuned. Oh guys, and this is what happens when we have fake crocs come at them dangerous place there. You see that current here, lick off the crocs bottom after good food. That is real crocs. Right there, sir.
Right true.
Oh, she can go in the water.
Wash out your body. You're fresh.
Boy.
How much you do? Hey, how you doing it?
I rent up the car.
You have to go in the water. No, she can't touch her bit. The water run go so. She are going to hear a piece now.
I'm a piece there, sir. What dog in that water? Yeah. You can't bring 7 continue, I swear.
Food. We eat jerk chicken right now. We have breast, Abbi have leg and type of day, so we are going now, people. Soon. Vlogmas, day 24.
Merry Christmas when it comes. We wish you many more.
Yeah. You know.
So guys, you see the vlogger now? We get the information here at last minute. I'm a dirty, crasses, Jody. Text me about Abbi and if you come surprise somebody, yeah. So it's a girl, Vlogmas a stress you out, you know, I'm not sure if we can do it. But you know, true, at the first time we can actually do this. As when I go see, so we're not even get for planning good because it was just last minute. But at the end of the day, we're glad with it. Go, but I tell you, we just look at yourself, because long time we don't go to still so later. So yeah, so Shannon, big up yourself. Yeah, big up yourself, good girl. Racho, yeah, because guys, at the time we tell them come put me up for the speech, you know, good girl. Good girl don't eat it. I can't be so the cap up at spot like that. People want to look at me, good girl still be told. Right about now, I clean. So guys, yeah, my day I try edit while me I try clean same time. We sure know what just so I put all the content phone, we just get back Wi-Fi, so I just want to do everything. Boop. Yeah. Kept around this, sir. I'm there. I try deal with the editing. You know. No. Yeah. So I could jump in on the surprise. As I say, you never really planned good because it was last minute. But we enjoy we look yourself and you know, good girl Shannon big up yourself. Enjoy look yourself too. Yeah. So guys, so now let's see the 3, 2, 1. Ah, I'm over here, so I'm gonna balance.
Happy birthday, Shannon. Happy birthday, Shannon. No.
Welcome to the girls' stuff.
Yes.
Hey, come on, say. Come on, say. Good girl, Abbi meet Abbi and stuff. Put on our things. Come in, Capo, come in.
Capo to your party. Hey, Shannon. Your YouTube friends. Yes, you put that right. Shannon, it's your birthday.
Hey, one time for the Abbi, I can't That's how she business board. So you too. Morning guys. People, as you guys said about God, where there are people here, Keep our guy with about I'm gonna make the dirty girl with breakfast and so food. Cause when time she come to my yard and I'm treat her like a princess. So therefore she have to treat me like a queen. Right, sir? Mama baby, Shebu. Just everybody.
That's my
No, don't say it.
son.
Yeah, your son, motherfucker.
Come here.
I don't know what people. Rich bag. Watch out.
Bite. That's all they want to do.
I say I greet people. Yeah, guys, it's my son. Sevu. Happy baby. That's a baby. No, my love. Watch out. Stop with more people. Watch out.
No,
I'm
baby.
not doing it. Guys, we're tired. Bad.
No.
You know, I won't have much content for going to the vlog. I swear. No sleep for the whole time because we drunk off last night. I'm going to be honest. Good girl drunk off last night and don't take up a drink off last night. So, oh my God, I'm going to go in and I don't know where I'm going to do. So stay tuned.